guys, I'm Shana. Today we're going to talk about a specific app that can do everything in it. Well, if you find this useful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share because it's a big help, and thank you. I love the fact that everything is built into this app, which makes things more easy and convenient. The reason for that is that you don't need to have many apps installed on your device, which will basically fill up the phone storage as well, especially if you are an iOS user. And also this app helps you to edit your photos as soon as you capture them or before capturing it. It lets you capture fun photos from the front and back cameras easily, and it has a mod to auto enhance photos and bokeh effect for selfies. Also, it allows you to save it in your device gallery or easily share it in any social networking apps. The filters or the effects. In One Effects there are like 5 different filters that's been added. Well, you have to download most of them, and the add more or plus button lets you download more filters as well. Well, I think you want to know what the app is, right? This app is from Adobe and it's called Photoshop Camera. Also, it is free to download from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The Photoshop Camera app is packed with an amazing AI powered features. Like I mentioned, selfies that auto enhances. Not just that, it auto enhances food, group photos and scenery shots too. These presets are inspired by your favorite artists and influencers as well. Plus, you actually don't need any Photoshop skills to use this app. It's made easy and very convenient to use. Now on the top there is a PSX button next to Autofix action button. Well, PSX stands for Photoshop Express. Yes, if you want more editing, then you have that option too from the Photoshop Camera app. Especially, it's fun to use with filters and lenses that's inspired by influencers, by using their custom designs and effects that's been added to the app all the time, so there is always something new to discover and use. Photoshop effects, filters, recommendation, portrait and influencers inspired lenses, all in one single app. Well guys, I hope this information was useful to all of you. If it was, please share with your friends so that it can be useful to them as well. Yeah, see you on the next one.